All right, guys, so in this video, we're talking about safety. Normally, one of the last things that everybody thinks about when they're building a project, but I promised myself that this time around for this project, safety has to be one of the first things that we address. Before we go to the racetrack, even for baseline testing, I just want to make sure that safety is taken care of, where I'm safe and I'm comfortable out there, and that way I can just have a good time and not think about, what if. So I wanted to do this video to kind of walk you through some of the things that we had selected to use on Project Apex. Seats, steering wheel, harness bar, roll bar, seat mounts, like how we're going to mount the seats into the chassis. And yeah, so here we go. All right. A couple of the products that we chose, all the safety stuff really that I used in the past has been Momo. I've had great success with their stuff. I really like it. Nice, high quality, Italian made. Even, Project F-Word back there, it had a nice Momo classic mahogany wood steering wheel. I love that thing. So I figured let's just go ahead and use all their stuff. I know it pretty well. I'm using what they call their Daytona Evo seats. These are the extra large. For me, I'm 215 pounds, 6'2", so these fit perfectly, just snug enough. Tons of lateral, like side-to-side support, and really nice fat cushion at the bottom. Is Cora giving everything an inspection. But yeah, they're super plush. They have the head constraint or head restraint just in case something happens on track. I have a Hans device, but obviously this gives me the side-to-side protection as well. So I wanted to make sure that I had a containment style seat. These are fixed back. So once you get them in position, you have to take the seat bracket apart to make sure that you can move forward, up and down, etc. So yeah, so here's a look at the seats. Really nice quality. Those are the seat belts right there. This killer black edition, limited edition steering wheel. Here's the back of the seat. Just beautiful work. The big thing that we've also done is we are working with Maximum Motorsports to get a roll bar in this thing. And this is one of their bolt-in units. It has a optional diagonal bar here that I had them add. And then also it's got a harness bar. So that way we can mount these beautiful Momo harnesses directly to the bar, have a ton of positioning available there. It'll keep us nice and safe. And you can see down here, these are the mounting pads. Their instructions walk you through how to get this thing installed. If you wanted to weld them in, I'm sure you could, but this thing is super top notch. They did a great job. I'm about to start going through the instructions. Here's the part number for some of you that may ask. So yeah, I'm gonna go through the instructions, take a look. The nice thing about this bolt-in unit, you can actually retain all the factory plastics if you wanted to. We probably won't in the back, but it is a nice option if somebody's gonna put this in a street car. So yeah, this is the slew of the parts. So at this point, I'm just gonna get to work. I'm gonna start tearing out the interior, go through that, and get it prepped to get the roll bar in first, get it test fitted, and then really there's only one part with this bar that you have to weld yourself. It's right back here. This is designed so that way you can go ahead and get the bar in, get it installed, cut your plastics with this awesome template that they give you for Maximum Motorsports, and then install those with the pin, MIG weld them in or TIG weld them in, whatever you prefer, and then the bar is going to go off to powder coating. So I'll have my buddy Daniel from DWB powder coating. He'll powder coat it here in town in Millington, Tennessee, and then we'll get it installed one final time and yeah, start installing the harnesses of the seats. So once I get everything in the car, I'll get you guys updated. I'll do another video so that way you guys can see where I'm at.